how to make a TikTok video. Now first of all, I'll open TikTok, and as you can see the TikTok has been opened here. Now you can find this option, this plus option in the middle. I'll select this, and as you can see the video, I can create the video. I'll simply go here and I will make video. I will hold this and I can simply create the video from here. Or what I'll do is I'll go to this upload option and I will upload this video here. So yeah, so I can basically edit this video as well. I can apply filters here and I will filters, or I will do voiceover, adjust clip, or I can write text here. Text, I can text here. Now I can post there. So this is how to do all of this stuff.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.